Good morning. So today is April 28th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Tracy, California. And we have this fiberglass shower unit that we're going to be refinishing today. Let's take a look at it. So it's one of those double seat type of fiberglass units. It's in really bad condition. Yeah, so that's pretty bad. We have to thoroughly sand this unit completely. And then repair this and prime and refinish it. So definitely a full day. So we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here's a finish-up video of the fiberglass shower unit in Tracy, California. Let's take a look. All the damage on the seat repaired there. Turned out really nice. Okay, so there you go. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900. And we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.